my god, could I be matching this room anymore? I don't think so. Hi everyone, welcome back. I feel like I should be saying that to myself because it's been a second. I am so excited about the weather right now. It is so gloomy in Los Angeles. We've been having rain, we've been having thunderstorms, lightning. Oh my gosh, September went by so freaking fast. I was out of town every single weekend. The first weekend was Bottle Rock. Then I went to Joshua Tree with a few of my friends. Laughed so much we were sobbing, which is a great indicator of time well spent. And then after that, went to Vegas for 4 days, which is a bit longer than I'd like to spend in Vegas. And I'm talking like heart to Vegas. And then after Vegas, we went to New York and then London. We're in London. We're staying in quite possibly the most beautiful room I've ever stayed in my entire life, so I want to document it. The floors. Look at the floors. The entryway. Look at these ceilings. What the hell? So going in, oh my god. To the left, we have the bedroom. Very messy, sorry, but it's not made. I love how the art is sitting on a trim. Just such a cool way to do like a gallery wall. Anyways, this is the main room. Like, oh, you guys, this ceiling, what? Everything is on different controls for like the curtains, the lighting, dimming everything. Yeah, this is just unbelievable. This mirror has a TV in it, so that's where the TV is. Let me show you guys. Crazy. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. I love like the windows. And then we go in on this side. We've got the bedroom again, some wardrobe, and then the bathroom is in here. And this bathroom is unbelievable. Look at the ceiling. Shit. The shower, oh my gosh. I am back home for the month. I'm so excited to catch up with friends and just get back into my routine. I'm such a creature of habit. Started off today with a dog walk and a quick coffee breakfast run. Had some bagels. I have some frames that need filling. This is cute. This is my brothers and I in, I believe, Italy, Rome. I hate cereals that just have 2 front pages. Sometimes I am really not in the mood to walk beaches, but we do it anyways. Right, Beach? You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go on a walk? Come on. Let's go. Okay.
right now than it did when I was home earlier.
Well, it's the double whammy because we just went out.
Your breath is poopy.
Y'all are wearing the same color tonight. The same exact color. A double wing. Okay, I love it. I love it so much. I think it looks so good. I chose a black semi-gloss finish and I think the shine makes it look so chic. I've been in such a little funk, not even just with YouTube, but like in my life. These last 6 months I've been doing just a lot of internal work and discovering what sort of makes me right now. And this process has been so isolating and like in a very specific way because I've been extremely social. Every relationship, dynamic, boyfriend, family, friends, like everything is feeling great and active and healthy and stuff, but it's this certain kind of alone feeling that I've been feeling. It's almost like I don't feel connected to the world around me, which sounds really silly, but it's this like certain feeling that I feel like I usually feel. And I'm just not feeling it right now. I saw this term online. I think it was called like self-cocooning or something. And it's what they'll emotionally do it through like a transition phase where you're just doing so much reflecting and like internal work. But I am like having such weird reflections and like conversations in my head every single day with like every decision I make because I am rewiring like how I make decisions essentially, or at least I'm trying to. So while I'm questioning like my present decision making and who I am right now, I'm also like looking back at my past self. I don't know, we're in a weird little transition phase right now. I hope it's a transition. I know that it is. I'm kind of over it. I want it to be over. I feel so exhausted by my thoughts. You know, I think that kind of might be one of the reasons why I've not felt drawn to like filming, because I guess I don't feel interesting right now. I think I'm also trying to be less hard on myself, and I'm trying to have more patience for myself as well, which has been like an unsettling feeling. Because although I've been doing a lot and traveling and working on things that won't see the light of day until probably next year, you know, maybe there's like a component of that where I've been doing less of the stuff that gives you this instant gratification of like, oh, I'm being productive because I just uploaded a video and it's materialized and it's out there and people can see it, and that is proof that I am working. I think that's where I'm like bumping heads, because my line of work is very intimate. It's very personal. And so when you're like going through this weird, independent, personal, intimate thing, and it like directly impacts at least one of the things that I do, which is like share my life with you guys. Like, are these the fall time gloomies? Like, what's happening? I wonder if any of you guys can relate to this.